I'll mute. Actually, I might just go to spectate.
Okay, the team is here. Right?
Are they actually starting? What's that? That's 7? No, that's 8. 9. These did get mid control and they're getting into this, in the thing inside their mid. What is Jay doing? Smiley. Tyrone could still get this. But these two do have the bomb site. Okay, Smiley is already tweaking about a small thing. I already know. Tyrone versus Alfred. Most likely I'll peek this guy first. Yeah. And that's how you retake it. You love to see it. And he wins this. Is it? Our teams are quite balanced. There's two good players, yeah, no, I think they're fine. And now? Okay, he goes mid via here. Gets blinded. The T seem to be like having a setup in front of B right now. Okay. Let's look at the throw. Unlucky, doesn't get one. Now they have a side. Okay. J is nowhere on side. This could just happen. This guy just gets this guy. Now Kevs of Cooler was still fighting J in mid. It doesn't go up the mid con, so he probably does not have time. Oh. What will happen next? These seem to do a little bit of a B take, while the CTs sneaky little boost up here. He stood on the guy. Doesn't realize it though. Still dies. Who's a 7 guy? That's Smiley. Okay, now the entirety. How is he moving like that? That's crazy. Makes no sense. I just clip normally. Now he's standing still. Is he gonna type up a storm for me? Let's look at like 8. I didn't get to look at the timings. Might just be cooked. Timings might just be cooked. Climb by in a 1v5. Gets one already. It's kinda in the I mean he's in the connector. He's in a sticky situation because the guy's gonna drop on him. The guy's running towards him. He doesn't. He gets him. If he kept spraying right there, I gotta get a free kill. The question is, the map still decided? Is what I wanna know. And I think, I would hope at least, it improved a bit at least. They're all going A. Let's film this on. Gets absolutely dinked on by fucking Climber. Climber eats a smoke. Crown eats a nade. The cities are on pistols. Ooh. I mean, the cities would need to lose this round, but the cities do have the bomb. They have one AK in hand. And he's staying in his corner. But Alfred is just cheating, so shoots for the wall. Climber locked in. 5-5, 500 damage. What will he be doing? Solo A. Some normal molly. But all the combat's gonna happen right here. Gets full blinded. The re-smoke comes in. I mean, the T's just kinda played that bad. But maybe I can find him. Smiley. You can't get them all. This is not malware. I don't know, maybe this map is malware. You never know. Their T team is doing quite well though. Let's look at this Alfred gameplay. They are stuck in this position. Only one guy on site though, so if he goes down, they get side for free. Gets one kill. The bomb is going down. Spams into nothingness. Peeks 2 guys, and this is a hard retake for Theron to take. Gets one. Gets mollied. This might just be a save then. Jay on 3 HP. How's him? I'll be saving right now. And it does seem like he's gonna do that. Most likely I will not find him because he's in the other fucking side of the map. And this map is kinda big. Now the question is this team jank or is this the map being T-sided? I think the map is still T-sided. To watch this guy. Fun little boost. I have clipped him up. No. Doesn't check con. Alfred gets the retake. Tyrone in city. Here's Alfred jumping up. And gets him. Liquid still on site. Is Tyrone ready for this? Liquid is taking just a deep corner. Climba. Not moving. Climba didn't get the corner for him. Doesn't get the refrag. Trade, whatever you want to call it. Now what's happening? Now 2 T's AFK. They are going mid. Oh, not. They're smoked off. Smiley seems to be going towards the A side. Okay. Jane Alfred got some wall banks through the thing. Cheeky little boost that you can do. I don't know why is it walking backwards for. Interesting flash. Interesting behavior. Does Tyrone just stick it though? He does, and he gets the fuse with it. EJ is the one that's spamming everything. Doesn't surprise me. Holy? Did that smoke actually do something? Nah. Probably doesn't. I wanna see what he sees. He just sees something. Ooh, but they're running to A side. Climb, I heard it though. Crown's also ready. Alfred dying, because he's a bit too greedy. Climber gets one. Can he get a second? Man cannot. Could be up. Doesn't realize it. Classic J in the smoke. Cool, gets it. Maybe now the CTs kinda know what to do, need to do on the map, so they actually get some, actually like keep the map and not just lose it the entire time. Oh, Biden. Let me see how they play. That's a bad smoke. Jay just runs up mid. Seems like they're kinda getting a thing into A. Okay. All I'm saying, AJ joined that call and now they're losing rounds. Could it be connected or is it just pure chance? Cheeky little boost gets the guy. They do still have the bomb. Who is number 2? That's Crown. Crown's just holding A sides from that position. While the T's are both in that bottom mid. Drone gets this. Kinda clean with it as well. I mean, the T's kinda trolled a little bit too much. Maybe that's why the CT's got around. The CT is going to have timing. That's a pretty big nade. Oh, if only he shot, but he's just holding his smoke. He's doing the smart thing. Smiley is just a little bit of a troll right now. A cross smoke has been tossed. And so comes the flash. And Cat is Cooler is already on B side. Ooh, that's unlucky that he got away at the time when he got a free kill. The jump. He hears the guy behind though. Gets the guy. Smiley with XM. Someone gets it though. One guy on side, other guy on mid. Saw the guy. Doesn't have bomb yet. Now they lose mid. Made a step. It is silent droppable. It is silent droppable. We nearly got that round as well. Smiley almost said something. For now, map kinda seems balanced. I just think the CDs didn't really play mid as I envisioned it. But I am also a dumb tonner, if you may. With one guy going, okay, this guy is going to B side. Somebody I mean, you could do it. But they are going to the A side. Climber gets another kill. Climber's hungry today. They get a plant down early while all the CTs are still stuck in mid. There are only 2 guys though. Climber just staying there. Someone gets one. 1v3 situation with Climber. He wins it. I believe in them. I believe in Climber the GOAT. These guys are having fun. Will that come back to haunt them though, in the economy wise? I know they're 3 rounds up, but if the enemy team's gonna play like they did, they now get 4 rounds. And that means there will be 1 down. They do have 2 M4s. Liquid not buying, and Liquid just AFK. And Liquid also buys an M4. Do we get like a quick A? A quick B I mean. The smoke does nothing, gets 1 kill, gets full naded though. And mollied off. So we need to play for side now. Tyrone trying to get some mid picks. While Alfred and Wisher almost with his teammate. Tyrone, the last guy alive, going into CT. And he will get a free kill over here. He was already low. Now with the hard part, getting the other 4 guys with all pretty much full HP. Does he dodge? He dodges the nade. Nearly gets Alfred, but the Mag 7 is too strong. No. It does kind of seem that this team is just a bit stronger. But there's a lot of CT round for them to have and a T round for them. So we could still see a difference. They had a quick A thing going on right there. The drone decides to rotate off with the bomb and goes mid. Gets tagged to the woods. Oh, but you gotta get those kills. But now they get smoked off. While Liquid just gets 2 kills on A. Counts finally gets it though. 1 guy on site also gets it. 1 guy in con gets the trade. Get his cooler, gets the 1v1. Alfred still in mid. Get his cooler, will get the bomb down. Tosses a flash in there. Get his cooler is low HP. Get his cooler gets it. Yeah, that is some goofy. The roof right there, you can hit your head and then you got swinged. Smiley does take a lot of A control for free right here. Can he get his cooler though? It seems like he can't. But he does just negate the entire A take from happening. But then just lose everything on mid. What happened there? Throwing a bit scared of going into sides. Gets a plant in the smoke while Jay is still in the corner. Hoping that something would happen eventually. Or is he gonna ninja? You might just ninja. Eight is flick icon. I mean, it's a one of his first situation. That's pretty losable. Now let's see what these do now. 3 guys going B, 2 guys. I don't know, 1 guy. Only guy decided to switch around. Drone just runs through it, but gets traded. Surprisingly, I thought that was in vain. But now the rotates are already coming in from the CTs in the connector, while Smiley is going CT. So the guys don't have B side yet. CT does get smoked, so but Smiley can just lurk out of it. A flash happens. Liquid gets one guy on site. Smiley is still in the smoke, looking at a wall for some reason. He gets spotted. Alfred gets one and they take the round. Well, Jay didn't rotate. And they kill Alfred. Now he needs a gunny. He gets an XM. Actually some good util. Gets seen there's no one there. Goes for mids. The entire T-Force is indeed on A side, like getting it. All these guys are stuck in condo, even though they could run out. Alfred gets one liquid, and who else is that? Someone else also in there. And Smiley are both in there. Jay trying to get the fucking ninja. Smiley doing? Smiley's in the corner still. This con is just not the best, I think. They're running out of time. They gotta move out. That guy is main. It's planned for main though. As Tyrone gets both of them. I think that con needs to change. I don't really know what would help immensely without making it just the best posy known to man. We're already at 1 HP. Throne is close though. Alfred gets a second. Can he get a third? He's 1 HP and gets out of there. You hate to see that. And the T just get fumbled. The T just totally overwhelmed them. See the T side of this. Only Tyrone buys the AK pretty much full util, half armor. While the CTs do the normal setup. Yo, nice. Okay. Jinx just joined and left me. He might be just below. I'm getting a boost in there. Can't get. He already did get the kill. We might have a A-take from this mid. This seemed like they're running over to B, and B only has one guy, Smiley. Still on the upper, waiting for his team, it seems. Well, I have already 3 AKs on this T side now. This is pretty much full eco. This Tyrone check it. Tyrone doesn't check it and Smiley gets a free kill. He moves up. Climber. Fighting for it. So now they're still there. I don't know why Smiley has his knife out. And Climber walks into the molly. Now it's match point for the CTs. Alfred just instantly goes side. Hits some hops. While his teammate is in the lane. Drops down. No one's lane, but there are a lot of guys in mid. But that could mean they get the window. And this is a pretty powerful position. If those guys moved up earlier, they could have gotten like a free kill, but now it's too late. Now they probably die. Cool, just get Smiley with it. Well, Tyrone is the last guy with the bomb. Need to clutch this 1v4. I don't know what that angle was. Could have been. Yeah, might have been duckshot angle. That was close. Does Tyrone get this? Is now a real question. 30 seconds clock, doesn't check it and gets knifed. GOG.
Got him.
Nope, team.
Wait, why is there
It was
two
a hard
DJs?
game with Smiley
What is going on?
sandbagging us, but we win.
Hard game.
Okay. Who goes first?
EJ.
Which one?
EJ.
Yeah, EJ first, okay.
Okay.
Crynoore, your B site fucking chode. Wants to take half an hour to get to the this area. Having bad stinky poo poo. The weird boost thing, bad stinky poo poo. Mid angles, bit awkward, especially the fucking that chode. Drop, maybe a bit confusing. Try not have drop, but maybe have drop. Very nice detailing. A site complete arse. There you go, who's next?
Okay. Nice and concise.
I need 2 bad stinky poo poos, so you're fine.
Yeah. That's like.
Salvageable.
So sure, Smiley goes next then, if you're talking.
I'm talking. I'll talk. Your B pathing is horrible. This area is way too CT sided. Your mid is. What the fuck is your mid? I don't know. It's confusing. It's unique. It's hella confusing. It's too much going on, I feel like. Like, why is this here if this can just not be a drop? and then you have a thing that does basically the same thing. If you also fix this spotting, because this spotting was also so bad. Your A is alright, I think. This is also like not great pathing, and I don't understand why this is here. Because it's just slower than this.
It's faster.
It's faster? Okay, then why
Yeah.
is this here? I
Up
don't
for
know.
the rotate.
Rotate? Okay.
Yeah.
Why just make one path that does the same thing for both of those things?
Because then path look goofy to me.
It's goofy? Okay, well,
Yeah,
it's,
it
it's
looks
goofy
goofy.
right now.
Yeah. I'm still not certain about like the whole A side of this map, and it's still like the most
Yeah.
thing I need to work most on, I think.
Yeah, I think your B side itself is fine, but there's just not a lot of fights going on there because like you can't get there as
Yeah, you
easy right
gotta
now.
you gotta fight for the lane. That's the
Yeah, there,
the idea
yeah,
of the
you
map. You gotta
yeah,
fight for
you
lane
can't-
and not actually the B side.
You can't fight for lane right now because it's one smoke and you're
Yeah.
stuck, and you have to run 1,000,000 hours to go anywhere else. So, just make this. I feel like this should be more of a connector, and I think this is like too much. Like I think there's like too much stuff on the right side right now. And like make this more integral to the mid thing, in my opinion. Apart from that, I think it's fine. Just yeah, your pathing is a bit timings stuff, etc.
Okay.
But it's fine. Also fix your texture lining. Come on.
My mosaics? No, they're perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll fix them.
It should.
So,
Next guy is
Chief.
I'll go.
Alfred.
Alfred this side.
Yeah.
I liked it. I had fun. I think this map is really interesting. I actually like the middle a lot. Having the jump spot here and the wall bangable wood here is quite interesting and nice to play around. I don't really have complaints here except like this portion. I don't think you really need it. It wasn't abused, but like this kind of stuff is kind of
Yeah.
goofy. Not necessary. Also, the drop here is interesting. I like it, but the main issue really is on the map, in my opinion, like the B main lane
Yeah.
or whatever you call this. You should probably just make it wider or just figure out a better way to implement it so that cities can't just do this and this, and that's it. Also, if you extend this maybe in a way that you can get a bit more space easier, that could help make it wider, or just doing something else altogether. A-side was interesting as well. I think it was a bit of a struggle to have a successful retakes on the map. So diffuses. There's a lot of like quirky spots like the heaven place. You really can't do much except do a skill jump, and you're gonna be just build anyways.
And I think the con right now doesn't really help from having any retakes. Like the con, getting out of con seems very hard on A.
Yeah, that is true. Since it's so like narrow to both of these corners
Yeah.
here. You could like flatten this out, or just that could help, or just move this a bit more back. Also, perhaps making even the heaven a bit wider, like the entrance, so that you can actually see there.
And like moving the
No.
this box, like the
I'm not sure actually right now, but just think about it with the visibility and retakes.
Yeah.
Since retakes are really difficult right now. But anyways, that's it.
Okay.
Good
Thank
map
you.
so far, and I did like it.
Thank you.
Alfred.
Who's next then?
I can go next. Tyrone on
Okay.
city sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I agree with most things that were said. Like on A, I think you could probably even get rid of this area here. It's or make it. I don't know. Like you can really just hide here and outplay them. Like you already have like this thing here, and you have like the heaven thing, the other heaven thing, and this thing. I think you could. Oops. Remove it and not lose any value of the sides. It's just a little bit easier because when I take side and someone is here, I can get. I was shot from here and I can get shot from here. Like it just never feels too great when I have a spot which I cannot like properly clear without going totally here. So like you can probably like still keep some bits here, like make it a little bit bigger or something. I don't know. But I think you could remove the this closed off part.
Remove the wall between it, so like it's just a ramp going up to heaven.
Yeah, yeah, something like that. Like just a
Like,
ramp
yeah.
here or something, or make like the ramp here and go down here or something. Or have like a half thingy here,
Yeah.
something like that. But I think this is just a little bit too much to just take, and then also for retakes, it's a little bit easier if you have less to retake, obviously.
Yeah.
Mid, yeah, just like this is stupid.
Yeah.
Remove it. Yeah. Also, like it does take a little long to get from here to here and then to here. Like also when you're like the retakes, you have like no other options. I cannot go anywhere else. I cannot go if I want to go like to city here. Like I've never retaken A from city. Like it's really tough because the pathing would be here, and then I think this should be like an easy jump, honestly. Like I don't think this is like a crucial rotate. It's doable, but I think it should be like an easy jump instead.
Okay. I really thought this was kind of easy, but like.
Yeah, I know, but it's like
there
not
are
super
people
obvious.
yeah. Yeah.
But it's like it's not super obvious and it's like doable, like sure. You know, it's like doable even for like, but I think it should be either like you could probably even make this a ramp, or or like it's just an easy jump, like more obvious, like where you just go whoop whoop, and that's about it. Yeah, I think this was actually like fine. I think like with the flash and sometimes with the right aggression, I had like at least some chances. Although, like, I think it's probably fine, but it's like wanky if the city peaks on a slope here, because you have like very weird and fights here. So, but it's probably fine because you can model it. So I think
one molly and the guy needs to leave that position.
Exactly. So I think it's probably
strong,
fine.
But like you can easily play against it, I think.
The only thing I would like is have more space, like someone said, to push even further here, to have a little bit more cover from this guy, and then just take these fights more on.
Okay.
Yeah, like, and just like I said, it's this with mid, the pathing feels weird. Like it's not super obvious to get how to get here.
Yeah.
Like I thought this was like, is this the right way when I went from here to there? And I looked at the minimap, but apparently it was. It's just, I don't know. You could probably make it that this leads somewhere here, something like that,
But then
or
I
like
think if these get mid, they get like into CT, and that's like they have the entire thing done. Then is that fine?
I think it's fine if it's like far away or something like, you know, you can still get it. Like it's like Z in cache. If these have that, if the rotate is still over CT, if this is more viable, you can just, you know, make this like flat here and make the exit here, something like that. It's what do they get from that? So they get like a backstep maybe, but it's like not super. Like you could raise this, so they have to go here and here. So it's not like convenient to go for T's, you know. something like so. So it's just yeah. And then here something like that. It's not convenient for T's to get here, but they can still do it to have like a backstab anyways. I mean, you have the backstab lines here anyways.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was not too sure about that. I was like maybe have it like here like that or something like that. But yeah, it's something you could figure out on the next playtest.
Yeah.
But oh yeah, and the last thing on B. This is very hatched. This I saw someone's scalp, but not their head.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a bad angle. I think it's not cool. That's about it.
Okay. Thank you.
Like overall, I had fun.
Wait, did you just play the
Yes.
Crynoore
Yeah.
map?
Yeah.
What did Caddis Coolder's map not work?
Yeah, it was broken.
Unlucky.
Unlucky.
It was malware,
I wanted
yeah.
to join this playtest.
Just run it back.
Ay.
Right. Then who's next? For the
I can go
feedback?
next.
Crown. Yeah.
Yeah,
okay,
Crown
sure.
on T side. Interesting map. My personal issue is just the rotates, I think. Just like B part. It's weird, but it's unique. It's kind of like Banana, where a lot of stuff is like getting spammed here. I thought this was fine, but like if a CT stop like a T push here, there's like not many options for the Ts. They can rotate, but that takes like ages. Maybe like add like a connector to this wall that goes to like mid or like I don't know, out here or something, because like it just takes so long to like stop that plan
Yeah.
and go to another one. Kind of found this was like kind of okay. Maybe a little annoying if a CT like did that and like played around this, like doing a jump and coming around and going. This just like this angle has a lot of stuff for the CT, but you can actually like I don't know util them out. So I thought that was fine. It's not that bad. I actually liked the med. I don't think this is like that big of an issue. It's just like this kind of angle is the like bad part. Maybe if you can find a way to fix this angle, this like upper part should be fine. I liked it. I liked like going around and fighting this coming around. This jump, I actually like this jump too. But like when they T's got B, like coming to retake from here, it was very hard because a guy would be holding the ramp like this, and it's just a headshot angle, and you jump there, so it was very easy to shoot them. From this ramp, it's a very easy angle. If this like cover blocked the vision from this ramp, maybe that jump would be okay, I think. Yeah, that's it for the mid. On A, I think like retakes, as people said, like retaking from CT didn't really happen. People usually just came from this connector from mid. And as a T, this is like very easy to hold on a retake.
Yeah.
I don't know, you'll find a way to fix that. I don't like that there's like two upper parts, so like heavens. I say like remove one. I like this upper part. Maybe make this one like start being a ramp. It's also like there's another boost here. I don't know. I think like two boosts. There's one in the mid, one here. I think this like not fun. If it didn't happen, but I don't know. If it happened, I wouldn't like it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe remove this, make it like a stair going down, and like a little bit of cover so I can peek. The main part, I think, I don't know. This gives like a double angle. One can peek from here, one can peek from down here. But as a CT, I don't know. No one really pushed out here, I think, because like if you push out here, they can still come from here. So I think they just like smoke and wait and just hold this angle. But this angle, I think it's a little weird because like if you hold it this way and you smoke this, they can like sneak out the right side. Like if this was kind of a bit to the left.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like if I'm holding this way and someone can just like walk here. Yeah, but like other than that, I think it's fine. Just like fix some rotations and yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
Okay, thank you. Then who's next?
You can go next.
Liquid.
Liquid on city side.
Yeah, I got you.
I played A on CT a lot, and I would just like sit in this con, and I would just wait for them to push A, or I would like go mid and pick this. And it was like, it felt super easy playing this. A lot of the time they like would run in and kill the guy, you know, who was playing backside, but I would just be chilling here and like shooting them. And they can't like smoke this position at all, because you can't bounce the smoke there from any of the walls. So they would always miss, and there would be a gap in the smoke, and you can just shoot people through the gap, which like felt really strong for me, because you know, 3 kills. Then you can, you know, boost your teammate up there, and basically everyone's gonna be rotating through here. So that gives kind of a nice option, but maybe a bit too strong. But it does feel like a bit awkward, but for retaking. For the defending, I feel like it's a bit strong, and for retaking, like it's super weak, I feel like, as well. When you have the 2 heavens where someone can be, you know, in the middle here, and then they can choose which way. Makes it really hard to play.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would be cool to see like a staircase here. I think that would be pretty nice, and this I feel like doesn't need to be here either. I agree with that. Then the passing is really awkward. We have a lot of
Yeah.
turnarounds people already mentioned. I think the mid is cool. I like it. Pretty interesting. I'm not sure about this. Like it creates a lot of weird angles, and it might create like a lot more problems than, you know, like cool stuff and gameplay.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like I wouldn't remove it fully, but maybe, you know, you never know. It just felt like awkward, so try to fix it maybe a little bit. This I think is really cool. This jump up here. I didn't notice like this was a strong angle, but it kind of feels like it is. But I would definitely keep it, because like you said, you can just molly it out. Definitely make this wider. We got stuck here like a bunch of times, and it just felt like we can't do anything. We push out with that, because we're going into 3 different angles. B was pretty interesting. I don't think I have anything to say. Maybe that angle that I think Teron mentioned.
Yeah.
Overall, the bomb sites are very far from each other, and like the T rotations are kind of impossible. CT rotations were kind of fine, but maybe like this middle is that you have like 3 entrances here is a bit confusing, and like maybe a bit too overwhelming as a CT if you're retaking. The drop down I think is fine, but did like trick me when I like went here. If it was somehow more obvious that it's like not a room, but like just a drop down. And yeah, this angle where you can just like play after plant, and you can just have this really tight angle as a and also super beneficial because you're super tight. And I think that's it. I think it's really cool. I really like the long building, but it's kind of really hard to play in it.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's it.
Who's next? Climber or Kitty Schooler?
Let's go, Climber.
Whoa, I have not much to add. I played very poorly in this map.
You
Was
killed
kinda known.
Smiley at one round with a 1D, I saw it.
Yeah, he was peeking mid. I think
Yeah.
it's better than before. Definitely more fun, and definitely better on like A. I think A played a lot better. Just sometimes a bit annoyed at certain angles, but that's me. Just taking out the right angles.
What would those angles
Let me
be?
think about it. I was fighting here. Let me just think. And there was someone peeking there and someone peeking there. And I couldn't shoot any of them. I might just be stupid.
Okay, yeah.
I kinda shot in the middle and hit no one. And it's the pathing could be more straightened out and just move it further away because it's not too fun to like go here and then do a 180 to go into sight. Doing a normal EJ feedback.
Classic EJ guy.
180 is bad. People like doing not 180s.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it was fun. Got some good shots sometimes.
Okay. Cat is cooler. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
Nah,
Okay.
I think most of the things have been said.
It's not
And I'm pretty bad at feedback.
Just say things you think were annoying, and then it might be right, might be wrong. That's my decision to make.
I quite enjoyed the map. I like mid and two-sided. They got it two sides.
Yeah.
It was really cool.
Maybe the window could be easier to get into, so you don't need to.
I could make it like a step outwards, so you just don't have to like do no strafing at all.
Yeah.
Or just
Very
have
cool.
a normal block.
No, but then you can create a lot of headshot angles, I think, and it will actually...
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
That's what
You
I'm
can put
thinking of
flashlight.
instantly. Because I'm already
I
playing
don't know.
with...
I just always felt like I'm forced to go down here, and I kept getting killed.
Yeah, I think that's because of the ramp as well.
And I like
Because
this.
if you're jumping
lane.
up, you're going into the ramp.
Yeah.
I like this
Arvin?
lane that you can just skip the bomb site.
Yeah, that was cool as well. Are we not doing Cat's map, by the way?
Oh.
Was fucked.
I don't know.
Did they
I
fix
thought-
it?